Welcome back to the few last questions of exercise 6.3. Okay, so question number 12, which I have not discussed in the previous question, I will discuss here. So question number 12 says, side AB and BC and median AD, side AB and BC and median AD are respectively proportional to the side PQ and QR and the PM median of triangle PQR. We have to show the triangle ABC is similar to PQR. ABC is similar to PQR. So if the triangle this AB, it is given that AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, BC upon QR and AD upon PM. Okay, so if it is given, we can show that this is smaller triangle, that is ABD and PQM similar. Let us do that. So here AB upon PQ, BC upon QR and AD upon PM. Here this BC can be written as twice of BD and QR can be written as twice of QM. Why? Because AD and PM are the medians. They are the medians which will divide the base into two equal halves. So it will be the twice of BD and the twice of QM. So AB upon PQ, it becomes BD upon QM is equals to AD upon PM. AD upon PM. So AB upon PQ, BD upon QM, AD upon PM. So all the three sides are in the same ratio. So the triangles become similar by side similarity criteria. Now AB upon this angle B, if this angle triangle and this triangle become similar, so all the angles also will become equiangular. All the corresponding angles becomes equal to each other. So angle B becomes equal to angle Q. So angle B is equals to angle Q, and this was given already, AB upon PQ and AD upon PM. So here the two triangles, that is ABC and triangle PQR, become similar by side angle side rule. The sides AB, PQ, BD, BC and QR, AB and PQ, AD and PM, and angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. So here it is also this equal to this BC upon QR. It is also given na BC upon QR. So if these two pairs we take and these two pairs, so these two are the corresponding sides ratio and this is the including angle. So side angle side, they become similar. Okay. Now let us move to the question number 15. Why not question number 14? Question number 14 is just similar to this question. You can refer this question to solve question number 14 also. Okay. Now question number 15. The very interesting situation is given. Let us see. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground. A vertical pole 6 meter casts a shadow of 4 meter. Since it is vertical to the ground, so it will make a 90-degree angle with the ground, and the length of the shadow is 4 meter here. So and BC will be the hypothetical hypotenuse for the right angle triangle ABC. Okay, here. Now the next is what? Next part of the question. At the same time, a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Tower, so find the height of the tower. So at the same time, this is the tower, suppose ED. It is also a casting shadow on the ground. So it is a tower, so it will also be the perpendicular for on the ground. So it makes a 90-degree over here, and this is the length of the shadow. So EF will also be the hypothetical hypotenuse for the right angle triangle EDF. Okay. So here in triangle BAC and EDF, angle A and angle D becomes 90-degree. Both are standing on the ground vertically. So they makes 90-degree each. And angle C becomes equal to angle F. They are common actually. If we make a figure which is common, so why they are common? Each is the angular elevation of the sun. Since they are making the shadow of length 4 and 28 meter, so they will reach on the ground on the same point. So they will make the same angle. So angle C is equals to angle F. So angle triangle BAC is similar to EDF with angle criteria of similarity. Okay, since they are similar, the sides will be, corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. So AB upon ED, AB upon ED and AC upon DF, AC upon DF. So AC upon DF 6 upon X, 4 upon 28, and X will be having cross multiplication. We will get the length of the height of the tower, that is 42 meters. 42 meters. Okay. Now question number 16, last question of the exercise here. Since the question says, actually this question is the converse of this question. Converse of this question. Here, if AD and PM are the medians of the triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where ABC and PQR are similar, we have to show that AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. Students, in this question, this is smaller triangle was given similar. Since all the corresponding sides were in the same ratio, we can say that the triangles were similar, and the ABC is similar to PQR. We need to show. And now here the bigger triangle is given similar. We have to show this smaller triangle similar. Since ABC is similar to PQR, all the corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. So AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR. AB, AC, BC, PQ, PR, QR. Again, this BC can be written as twice of BD. This QM can be written as twice of QR. Since AD and PM are medians. PM are medians. So it have divided the base into two equal halves. So twice of BD, twice of QM. So here AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM. We need not to take this one because it doesn't count into the solution. So we will not count that. We will not write that. So AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM plus angle B is equals to angle Q. Why? Because both the triangles were similar initially. So all the corresponding angles becomes equiangular. So angle B is equals to angle Q. Angle B is equals to angle Q. So these are the side, and this is the including angle. Side, including angle, side, including angle. So by SAS similarity criteria, ABD becomes similar to PQM, and AB upon, since they are similar, the corresponding sides become in the same ratio. So AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. Okay. So this how we have finished the exercise 6.3. It was a longer exercise. We will deal the next topic, very interesting topics, more to come, we will do in the next video. Thank you so much.